morning from Suunto. It's time for the next adventure. It's time to head for the Bishorn. My name is Maximilian Giel, as you probably know, and now let's go for summit movements. The pace is high today. Whew. So, at 2,600 meters, wonderful sunrise, Blanche, and the Besto, and there's the Traquis hut. So, let's go! $3,850 meters, 300 meters to the top. Feeling pretty good so far. Yeah, a little bit tough, but it's good. Yeah, next 1 hour to the top. Let's do this.
Ja, nice. Wow.
Hurry. Yes. Number 6 of 21. Summit of the Bishorn. 4,154 meters. Perfect day. Wow.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices.
So, back down in Sinai. Really a long tour, but yeah, didn't feel too bad today. So worked out actually pretty good. And yeah, as you saw, I didn't talk too much because these guys are so incredibly fast. They were that kind that they waited half an hour for me on the summit and also brought up my drone up there. So that's why you see in this amazing drone footage. And yeah, this is has been the second last ski peak I've planned. So just one more to go. But first of all, right now I will get some rest. So right now, if you want to stay updated with the 21 and 21 project, just hit that like button and also the subscribe button, and I'll keep you posted. This also helps me a lot to continue this project. For sure get some stuff from the brands, but all the journeys and all this is all self-supplied and self-supported, also all the video cut. So please just subscribe, it costs nothing and it helps me a lot. So I wish you a wonderful day, see you in the next episode.